Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. The idea of an OpenAI IPO has become one of the most talked about possibilities in the global financial and technology world. If OpenAI ever decides to go public, it wouldn't just be another tech listing. It could potentially become a historic Wall Street event that reshapes how investors think about artificial intelligence, software companies, and the future of the digital economy. At the center of this excitement is the explosive growth of AI itself. Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has moved from experimental research labs into everyday life. Tools powered by AI are now used for writing, coding, design, customer service, healthcare analysis, and even financial forecasting. OpenAI, as one of the leading companies driving this transformation, sits at the very heart of this revolution. Products like ChatGPT have already reached hundreds of millions of users worldwide, making AI more accessible than ever before. An OpenAI IPO would likely attract massive attention from both retail investors and institutional giants on Wall Street. Many analysts believe it could potentially be valued in the hundreds of billions, or even approach the trillion-dollar conversation over time, depending on growth, revenue models, and market conditions. This level of speculation alone is enough to send shockwaves through the tech investment landscape. One of the biggest reasons investors are so interested is OpenAI's strategic connection with major tech players, especially Microsoft. Microsoft has heavily invested in OpenAI and integrated its AI technology into products like Azure, Office, and Copilot. If OpenAI were to go public, it could significantly impact Microsoft's valuation narrative and further strengthen its position in the AI arms race against competitors like Google and Amazon. The ripple effects of an OpenAI IPO would not stop there. Companies like NVIDIA, which supplies the GPUs powering AI models, could also see increased demand and investor interest. Entire sectors, including cloud computing, semiconductor manufacturing, cybersecurity, and enterprise software, could experience renewed momentum as AI adoption accelerates globally. However, alongside the excitement comes uncertainty. The AI industry is still evolving rapidly, and monetization strategies for advanced models are not fully stabilized. Questions remain about profitability, regulatory oversight, data usage policies, and long-term sustainability of AI growth at such a massive scale. These factors could heavily influence how the market values OpenAI if it ever goes public. For everyday investors in the United States, an OpenAI IPO would represent both opportunity and risk. On one hand, it could be a once-in-a-generation chance to invest in a company shaping the future of technology. On the other hand, early hype around disruptive tech companies has historically led to volatility, especially during the initial public offering phase. Beyond finance, the cultural impact of OpenAI going public would also be enormous. It would signal that artificial intelligence has fully transitioned from a futuristic concept into a mainstream economic force. Just like the internet boom of the late 1990s or the smartphone revolution of the 2010s, the AI era could define the next decade of innovation, wealth creation, and digital transformation. In conclusion, the possibility of an OpenAI IPO breaking the internet is not just hype. It reflects a deeper shift happening in global technology and finance. Whether it happens soon or years later, the idea alone highlights how powerful artificial intelligence has become and how central OpenAI is to shaping the future of the digital world. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.